that? Oh, look at the buggy, huh? Cool. Whee! And some presents. You want to open them?
Is that yours, Maddie?
This is the first thing she went to. Whee! She's like, alright, hold on, I get some.
Maddie, there's stuff in here. There's presents in there.
You're gonna already start putting some crayons in there? You like that? Oh, wow, you made this yours really fast. Okay, I'm out of here now. Oh, what else? Oh my god, a kitchen too.
That's your kitchen. Look, the phone. Ring, ring, here.
Hello? Hello, is that Maddie? Hello? Hi. I just put the phone in there.
What about the refrigerator? Is there anything in the refrigerator?
Oh, I'll put something in there. She's like, that's where you put the phone. Obviously in the refrigerator. Mom. Pull hard. Pull hard. There you go, 2 hands. Get your back into it. Hmm.
Okay, turn it off. Maddie.
Hello.
Look where Daddy is.
Madeline. Peekaboo.
Oh, she's back to her car.
Oh. Hi. Hi. There you go. Doors you can open, no child safety locks on them.
So you want the gas, so you put it in there. You can put your crayon in there?
In the oven? Good call.
Here, it's still in the oven. 200 degrees.
Good job. Put that in my stroller. Wow. You sure took to that pushcart fast, huh? You're like, yeah, I'm going shopping now, Daddy. Aww. Now, do you like your Christmas presents? Yes, I do, Daddy.
You want to open some stuff up, baby?
You wanna open them? Madeline.
She wants to get in it.
Oh, too small. Yeah. Hello.
Does your car have eyes?
Hello. What would you? And open some presents now? Yes, you do.